Everyone knows that water is essential for our health, but are we drinking enough? Today we'll discuss 10 easy ways to boost your daily water intake. Firstly, always carry a reusable water bottle. It'll act as a constant reminder, ensuring that you stay hydrated throughout your day. Another effective method is to set water drinking reminders. Utilize smartphone apps or alarms to keep you on track. It's a simple, effortless way to remember. Next time you feel hungry, try drinking some water first. Sometimes, our bodies mistake thirst for hunger, so stay ahead by consuming water before reaching for a snack. Try adding some flavor to your water using fruits or herbs. This not only makes your water tasty, but also encourages you to drink more. Drinking a glass of water before every meal is another great trick. It aids in digestion and prevents overeating, contributing to better health. Switch up your routine and incorporate other water-rich foods into your diet. Foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges are healthy and hydrating choices. Instead of reaching for soda or juice, opt for a glass of water. It's a healthier choice, and it'll help you increase your daily water quota. After waking up, start your day with a glass of water. It kickstarts your metabolism and helps flush out toxins, paving the way for a healthy start. A great tip for office goers is to keep a glass of water at your desk. Sip throughout the day to keep the hydration flowing. During workout sessions, always make sure you're hydrating. It's essential to replace the water your body loses through sweat. Consider investing in a water purifier. Clean, fresh-tasting water is much more appealing and can motivate you to drink more. Be mindful of the weather. On hot days or when you're more active, increase your water intake appropriately. Drinking herbal tea or other non-caffeinated beverages can also add to your hydration levels. They offer a warm and comforting alternative, particularly during colder months. Turn drinking water into a habit. Consistency is key. The more you make it a regular part of your routine, the more natural it will become. Remember, the goal is not to gulp down huge amounts at once, but rather, to maintain a steady intake throughout the day. By following these tips, you can easily improve your daily water intake, promoting a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. Stay hydrated, stay healthy.
This video was brought to you by the Advoop Media Group of Canada. If you found these short videos helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your loved ones, and most importantly, hit the subscribe button to stay ahead of the curve with our upcoming videos. Your support fuels our passion to bring you more of the top-notch content you deserve. Stay tuned for more exciting updates. Thank you for being a part of this community. See you in the next video.